Hello everyone. Kawashima-Tategu has been creating quality custom woodwork, specializing in Japanese wooden tategu for over 80 years. Kawashima-Tategu founded in 1933, located in Toyama, Japan, and we are a third-generation company. Also, we produce high-end fine craft items made with Kumiko. Kumiko is a traditional Japanese joinery technique which dates back to over 1,000 years ago, the Asuka period. It involves fitting together precisely cut pieces of wood to form delicate and complex patterns. Combining both beauty and functionality, Kumiko has been passed down for hundreds of years. Today, I would invite you to bring the tranquility of the Japanese spirit through this time. Kumiko design was created over 100 kinds by joiner in Edo period. It contains auspicious meanings in its designs. So I'd like to talk about one of traditional Japanese woodworks, Tategu and Kumiko, that is made from Japanese pure wood. And then I'll introduce the utilization examples. First of all, I talk about how to make Kumiko-Zaiku. Then I will introduce Kumiko patterns, meanings, and origins. Lastly, I will introduce the domestic and international delivery records and propose new type of Kumiko products. Kumiko is a delicate and beautiful artwork that make various patterns with thin wood without nails. This is the Japanese most technical skill in woodworks. It requires elaborated precision level of 0.01 mm through processing to make tenons and groove holes in woods by Japanese style plane, chisel, and saw. This technique is often used in Japanese traditional wooden buildings. Creating our work is a detailed process from selecting the tree to combining the pieces to create Kumiko. Creation starts with the selection of the tree. For Kumiko, we use locally sourced Japanese conifer such as cedar or hinoki cypress. The wood must be of the highest quality. Next, the wood will be cut to workable size and thin, even slats formed. These slats will then be cut and shaped with precision notches according to the intended motif. After the cutting part was prepared, it fits together delicately cut pieces of wood. Finally, experienced artisans put together the pieces carefully and securely, fitting each one into the others so that they create a beautiful design without the use of nails. We practice with a deep respect for the 1,000-year-old Japanese woodworking techniques. We are dedicated to preserving the skills of our predecessors, refining and developing our craft, and passing on these methods to the next generation of artisans. So please look at production scene. These are Japanese-style sliding doors with Kumiko. It was made from 100% Japanese hinoki cypress, with Japanese traditional wooden techniques by experienced artisans' handwork. These 4 doors of Asanoha design It creates a gorgeous atmosphere. And also, you can see the Japanese terrain garden view behind the door, while feeling the scent of hinoki cypress. You will feel peaceful looking through the Kumiko door. These Kumiko doors certainly harmonize with not only tatami, but also wooden floorings. We often create bespoke wood fittings to match every home and style. Now, I would introduce how to use Japanese tategu in Japanese style rooms. Left picture, this is a traditional Japanese style tategu in the showing style of traditional Japanese residential architecture. Right side, it is a Japanese entrance partition and uses a lot of Kumiko patterns in this design with various kinds of Japanese woods. It is used Japanese high-grade wood, Jindai Sugi cedar, Kiso hinoki cypress, and Ichi-yew. Fusing natural wood colors and various Kumiko patterns, it became very fascinating artistic design. Recently, these style Kumiko doors are become popular in Japanese buildings. It feels artistic and luxurious feelings. These are of course custom interiors. The first thing you see when you enter the building, the light shining through the Kumiko is like a work of art. The soft feeling of natural wood in the day, the gently illuminated design at night, create a contemporary Japanese beauty. Now, I introduce an example of Kumiko patterns that exist over 100. All Kumiko motifs have each auspicious meanings, such as healthy growth and warding off evil. And also, it expresses our wishes for our lives and our loved one, protection, prosperity, and connection with others. So please look at left motif Asanoha. It is a classic Japanese motif Asanoha with its distinctive hexagonal shape. Growing upright and swift, it came to have the meaning of wishing for children's healthy growth. In addition, because it has been considered a sacred plant which bugs do not touch, it has a meaning of protection and guarding against misfortune. And right motif Gomagara. This beautiful geometric design represents the cross-section of the sesame seed. Sesame is known for its health benefits and has a history of being used in medicine for longevity. So Gomagara signifies a wish for health and long life. Next, left side is Rindo. The elegant Rindo is a motif of gentian or bellflower. Since it is joined in a circle, Rindo signifies a link, thing to thing, and person to person, and the ties that bind people together. It shows our wish for strong connections and good relationship with others. And right motif Sakura Kiko. This geometrical design combines a turtle shell shape with a brilliant sakura blossom pattern. In feng shui, this shape has long meant good luck and the accumulation of wealth. So Sakura Kiko shows our wish for prosperity and good fortune. I introduce utilization examples, our new challenging of Kumiko product. Grand Seiko held the 114th anniversary in the Ritz-Carlton Hotel last year. It was set up the high-quality entrance by these Kumiko art panels. So Masutsunagi that is in center place patterns and both sides patterns are Rindo. Masutsunagi motif represents stability and the beneficial ties that exist between people. So It expresses a wish for meaningful, stable, and long-lasting connections. It is a perfect pattern for such an anniversary. By behind of the panels put the light, you can see a shading light and shadow with classic atmosphere. This is the entrance sign for Grand Seiko's anniversary in Imperial Hotel with Kumiko designs. It is used Asanoha motif of Kumiko, that meanings a wish for children's healthy growth or the warding of evil. So, this gorgeous space also includes omotenashi mines by Kumiko patterns. And this is an overseas delivery record. It was adopted in the entrance of an institution in France. We propose a new interior style that is fusion of Japanese style and foreign culture. For example, that time we provided the Fuji art panels in this entrance. We prepared Japanese hiba in Aomori, Japan for materials. The owner chose this wood with color and scent by herself. Kumiko motifs are Asanoha patterns. Because of the captivating interplay of light and shadow from Kumiko patterns, it is perfect for decorating panels, windows, and ceiling accent. The window motif is pictured. We can create many kinds of custom panels, room dividers, skylights, doors, and more in a variety of Kumiko patterns. We create a wide variety of custom woodwork from doors, windows, and architectural details for businesses, convention centers, and residences, to panels and decorative details for store and trade shows. So this is Kumiko table that is customer order. This Kumiko part of center's table is used Japanese high-grade wood called Jindai-suji cedar and Hinoki cypress. Our dedicated team of artisans are happy to respond to custom requests every time. So, we keep challenging them make new type of Kumiko products for customer. Lastly, Kawashima-Tategu is now imagining new use for this ancient craft through interior design products and tableware which suit both traditional and contemporary spaces. A large part of our business still comes from wood fittings for homes. We are now sharing the beauty of auspicious Kumiko with more people through our NG line of interior items and tableware. Suitable for homes and businesses, our products coordinate well with traditional Japanese aesthetics and contemporary spaces to create a timeless and elegant atmosphere. All of our work is handmade with the greatest care in ancient motif with content wishes for protection, prosperity, and health. So Kawashima-Tategu organized Kumiko products for Christmas. We wanted to try on our own Christmas tree, so we made small Kumiko amulet for ornament. This is Asanoha motif made from Japanese cypress. Then, we shipped this Christmas ornament to a store in Virginia last year. It was sold out soon. Like this, Kumiko has various possibilities depending on how you use it. So please imagine that Kumiko will be taken everywhere in your lifestyle. So now, I've talked about Japanese Tategu and Kumiko artwork so far. For Japanese high-quality Kumiko techniques, it could be said that Japanese wood are the most suitable. I'm confident that Kumiko has lots of the possibility for doors, windows, and interior design, etc. by utilizing Japanese wood and traditional technique with experienced artisans. In addition to the example we saw today, there are many ways of using Kumiko products. Kawashima-Tategu keeps challenging for creating the amazing Kumiko products and highly recommend that is taking in Kumiko design with Japanese pure wood in your lifestyle. Thank you so much for listening.